Hey there, science enthusiasts! Ever wondered about one of the most mind-bending phenomena in the universe? Let's dive into the mystery of black holes. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Imagine compressing the mass of a star into a tiny point. This point is called a singularity. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, there's no coming back. Now, what makes black holes even more fascinating is their mention in ancient texts. In the Quran, there's a reference to something that could be interpreted as a black hole. The holy Quranic verses have indicated this amazing and complex characteristic of this final stage of the star's life. Indeed, the verse's description of the star as piercing is very accurate because even though the star is the cause of this hole that extends to the event horizon, the star's matter is still piled up in the center of the hole. The star itself has not become a hole, but rather the star is still present in the center of the hole, and its matter that has piled up in this extremely small size is what caused the hole to exist. Therefore, from a scientific perspective, there is a hole, and the reason for its formation is piercing, and piercing is the star in its piled-up state. It's described as a swallowed star in Surah At-Takwir, verse 15. The Holy Quran has referred to the rest of the characteristics of black holes in other verses in Surah At-Takwir. In the Almighty saying, "So I swear by the stars that recede, that move swiftly and sweep away," At-Takwir 15:16. Because of this tremendous gravity from which no light can escape, black holes are hidden, and they also move in the sky and sweep away everything that approaches them because of their tremendous gravity from which nothing can escape. This confirms to us why the oath by the piercing star was indeed a great oath. And that is why God linked it to the sky, despite its great importance. At the beginning of Surat At-Tariq, God Almighty said, "By the sky and the nightcomer. And what can make you know what is the nightcomer? It is the piercing star." At-Tariq 1:3. These verses pose a question which is, and what can make you know what is the nightcomer? The answer is the piercing star, meaning the hole or the black star. This is hundreds of years before modern science figured them out. There are different types of black holes. Stellar black holes are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. Supermassive black holes, on the other hand, reside at the centers of galaxies, including our very own Milky Way. These giants can have masses equivalent to billions of suns. But how do we study something that doesn't emit light? Scientists observe the effects of black holes on nearby stars and gas. For instance, if a star gets too close to a black hole, it's torn apart in a process called spaghettification. And when this matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits X-rays, which we can detect with telescopes. Black holes challenge our understanding of physics, blending the realms of general relativity and quantum mechanics. They're like cosmic laboratories that push the limits of what we know. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there these incredible cosmic enigmas are at work, shaping our universe in ways we're only beginning to understand. Stay curious and keep exploring.